Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today we have another model aircraft unboxing. This is the Gemini Jets 1:400 scale Virgin Atlantic Airbus A350-1000. So I'm super excited to get into this. This was one of Gemini Jets' new releases last month, and let's go ahead and get right into it and see what she looks like. So I got this model from easytoys.com, and I got it for a pretty good price. It was about 10 bucks under what it was listed on the Gemini Jets website. So, and they're a really good website, and I highly recommend them. So, alright, here we go. Alright. This is my very first Virgin Atlantic plane, so this would be pretty cool to have in the collection. So, here we go. Of course, on the front we have the plane, Virgin Atlantic Airbus A350-1000. Of course, Virgin Atlantic has not taken deliveries of this yet, I don't think. And then on the back here, the plane right there, and this is, of course, a 2018 release. So let's go ahead and get her out of the box. Wow, this looks really, really nice. Alright, there it is. Okay, so let's go ahead and get the box out of the way. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the details. Okay, so of course up at the front we have the cockpit windows with the raccoon mask that's on the A350s. I think it looks really, really nice. And then the nose code and details. Right there we have the lady that's on the Virgin Atlantic planes along with the British flag. Here we have the front gear in the first door, and right here it says Airbus A350-1000. And of course the huge Virgin Atlantic titles that's on the new livery. The engines are really, really nice deep red. I think it looks really, really good. You can see inside is some pretty nice details as well. Here's a look at the wing with the flaps, slats, and spoilers that you can see. And then the wingtips have also some really nice detail, and it has Virgin on the wingtips, which is a really cool touch. Of course, right there is the second door and the third door and the last door, and you can see some of the antennas, and there's the Wi-Fi box. Of course, the very iconic Virgin tail, which is again that very deep red color. And then here the registration is Golf Victor X-Ray Whiskey Bravo. And then on the bottom here, it says Virgin Atlantic, and then over on this wing it says the registration. And then of course with the A350-1000, the main gear is a set of 6 wheels instead of set of 4 like on the A350-900. But wow, this is a really, really nice model. I'm really happy with it. I don't think the wheels roll. Actually they do. Actually, a few of them do, not all of them do, but that's no big deal. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Take care, and I'll see you later.